The unboxing experience is clean, minimal, and professional, very much in line with SmallRig's established presentation standards. Inside the compact retail box, alongside the tripod itself, SmallRig includes a straightforward user manual that clearly illustrates deployment modes and safety considerations for suspended shooting. There is no unnecessary filler here. The packaging communicates confidence in the product's design, suggesting that the tripod itself is meant to be the focus rather than a long list of accessories. This SmallRig video tripod in carabiner shape is a thoughtfully engineered solution for creators who value adaptability, speed, and creative freedom. Its innovative carabiner design and integrated mantis hook go beyond visual differentiation, delivering genuine functional advantages in real-world shooting scenarios. For travel vloggers, action camera users, and content creators who regularly work in dynamic or constrained environments, this tripod offers a level of versatility that traditional mini tripods simply cannot match. Compact, lightweight, and intelligently designed, it earns its place as a highly practical, everyday carry accessory for modern content creation.